After many requests, we brought to you one more homemade insecticide recipe to use on your plants and garden. The recipe uses two amazing ingredients, garlic and alcohol. Chemical insecticides are considered the villains of agriculture and nutrition because they remove nutrients and bring serious diseases to our homes. But this cheap, ecological alternative is easy to make and very powerful. This makes the natural insecticide made of garlic alcohol a good choice. It is a 100% natural product with no chemicals and completely free of agrotoxins. It preserves our food, our health, and the environment. Are you enjoying this video? Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who have gardens. Want to learn how to make this insecticide? Write down the ingredients. 5 cloves of garlic to every 16 ounces of the solution, 8 ounces of alcohol, 8 ounces of water, 1 drop of detergent. Directions: peel the garlic cloves and put them in a container with the alcohol. Let it sit for 24 hours. After this, add water and detergent. Mix it well and put it in a spray bottle. The solution lasts for many months and can be stored in a dark and cool place outside the fridge. It's recommended to spray it on the leaves and stalks of plants. So, did you like this recipe? Try using it to take care of your plants. If you tried other recipes, share it with us in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.